have you ever heard about this round of cabin crew interview, jam or just a minute? What is jam session and how to prepare for it? To know the answer of this question, watch this video till end. Just a minute generally referred as the jam session, which means a candidate has to speak on the given topic within 1 minute of time. So sometimes the candidate can choose his or her own topic, or sometimes the interviewer will give a topic to speak. Jam session is conducted to test the fluency of English. So much preparation will not be required for jam session. Try to make conversation with your friends in English. Now I will tell you elements, do's and don'ts of jam session. So watch this video till end.